Welcome back to AZMORT Squad. Today we're heading out to some amazing waters to do some more magnet fishing. If you like what you are watching with our channel, make sure to give us a like. And also we're doing a giveaway. Make sure to check that out in our last few videos. Make sure to put in for the giveaway and you have your chance to win, as we will be doing the giveaway for the 500 subscribers when we reach that, so you can share it with others and help us out. Let's get after it.
Hold on. Still on. Looks like Ridge caught something. Pull in slowly. Slowly. I know. Because you know how when it goes fast, you know. Yes, it always falls. This is like a 2-pound magnet. It must have gotten stuck. Oh, see all the bubbles right there? Cody, we got something. Oh, yep. It's like a safe, I think. Oh, yep, it's coming. Still coming, guys. Okay, pull in slowly. Don't. See all the bubbles? Cody, we need your magnet. Oh, it's stuck. No, don't pull too hard. Don't. Oh, it's super heavy. Cody! Oh yeah, it's heavy. Cody, come here! We have something big! Cody, there's so many bubbles! Yeah, there's something big and it's so heavy we can't even pull it up. Yes, and it was moving a lot. Yes. We moved it all the way up. Bubbles right here? I think it might be a safe. Yeah, do you see all the bubbles coming up?
Yeah, right.
No, actually, try to get caught. Oh, I got it. Rolling again. Cody, hold the camera real quick. Let me help Ridge pull it up.
Oh, I got bubbles too. Look at all my bubbles.
Okay, here Ridge comes. Come on. Oh, see? Oh, yep, scooter, baby. Scooter.
Scooter time.
Yeah.
I told you, Ridge would be the first one to find something.
Yep, it goes me, Ridge, and then Cody. Goes like that. How is your magnet on that? Your magnet! It got stuck under the handlebar and right there. It's literally a 2-pound magnet. Not even, probably it.
See this magnet right here, the 1,700 pound?
And we can't even
found anything yet. What the heck?
And he just found that. You can get it up like that? Oh, look at that, all that oil. Well, you have gloves on, so just pull it up with your gloves.
Fix this thing up, maybe we can take this one.
We say that with all of them. Hold this.
This one's been down here a minute.
A minute? Here we go, you trying to pull it out? You got it?
What do you got to say about that?
First catch of the day.
First catch of the day, I think.
Goes to Ridge.
Awesome.
Ridge catches a lot of stuff for some reason.
You gotta stand it up and put it out of the way.
So then people are driving by and like fall. Now we're gonna see if we can try our luck again.
We're gonna try our luck.
Oh, I feel like
magnet. 1,700 pound magnet here.
Cody, you're all talk. Let's see if we can. Did you catch something? Let's see if you can catch something.
I knew we had to get our other magnet because that's some good luck.
We've had a lot of good luck with that little piece of crap. No, it's... Okay, we have to get the rope situated. Oh, Cody did get something.
Ooh, what did I get?
Sorry for the bad video right now. I'm trying
That's a serious...
rebar.
Rebar of some kind. This looks like this might be the new hot spot here.
We've never came over to this spot, so there might be a lot of luck here.
It's like throwing it in big time, you gotta do it. It's part of the Super Bowl weekend. Either you got Kansas City or you got the Buccaneers. Young versus old.
Yep. Comment down below who do you think's gonna win. Who do you think is gonna win? Or you want to? Oh, jeez. He's got, nope, don't yank it. You don't yank it.
I do have something.
Okay. Ridge, we need help. Got something big. Big. Frick. Are you still on it?
No, it's right there though,
I think you got, hold on.
I think I did get something for Riz.
Okay, throw it back down. Fast. Before it falls too far.
It might have been some boo.
Don't throw it in there yet. Let him get caught onto it. Are you back on it yet?
Right there.
There it is, Rich. Get on there. Just throw the dang magnet in.
Oh. What is it?
No, hold on. Wait till you get some more slack on this. Bro, I want to help pull this thing
It
in,
really
but
might be just a ledge.
no, I don't think it is. Oh, watch out, Cody. I have it moving right now. Is it something? I think it's just the ledge. No, just toss it out there. Wait. Let me walk this way. Just try to move it around. Just like try pulling it up and down and. Well, didn't you pull it from the back a little bit?
No.
Let me get a rope tangle. Yeah, so watch out.
Hey, it's right there again.
Okay. Hold this, let me feel it. Let me feel if it's something.
Yeah, I don't
Hold
think it's a
this.
ledge because you.
Oh, yep, it's sliding down every time you let go. Oh, yep, there's something. I know, but it's not that heavy. I can feel something. There's for sure something. Hey, this thing ain't even that steep.
Okay, getting close to the water's edge.
That's me.
Yeah. You got a ridge. What do you got?
Nothing.
I
Watch
don't,
out, Cody.
I don't know if it's much of anything. It might be a bike.
I need one.
It's probably a bike.
Now it's not coming. But then I can. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's coming. Now it's coming. Now it's coming.
Slowly pull it. Slowly.
It's coming. Oh, I have it. Okay, ready? You want? Yes. Mine is right next to this. Oh, that thing's heavy.
Hmm.
It's slipping off. It's slipping off right too. Just fell. No, not off of mine. Okay, keep it. Don't pull it. Just hold it. It's right there.
I'm sure it's just the edge of the water.
No, it's right here. I have it on right now. Me too. I can tell it's something. Oh, it's coming.
We should bring our grappling hook. Where is it?
In the truck. Oh, it's flat.
Here.
Rudge! Stay on it. No, hold on. Let me get back on it. Oh, it's right there. It's a bike. Oh, yep, I see it. Boys, let's go. Buddy, my hand's twisted. Hold on to it. My hand's twisted. Oh, I'm back on it. Oh, there it is. It's a bike, baby. Watch out, Cody.
Scooter.
It's one of those bikes.
It's one of those scooters, yep.
This is always sticks on. Hold on. Okay.
Get it.
Why is it so heavy right now?
I don't know.
And it's covered in water. Hey, pull.
There we go. I had to get over the edge.
Yes. God dang it. The handlebars. See? Look how weird mine is stuck on. Oh, that hurt my hand so
Yeah,
bad.
it's hurting. Yeah.
See, mine always stays on. Hold on, I'll toss it off. that shot you. See, mine is still. Cody, pull it. Oh, wait. The wheel is all twisted. It's stuck on the ledge. No, it's the handlebar. Okay, now we can go. Oh.
There we go, you got it?
Two electric things.
I wonder if it's broken, it might still work.
Okay, hold on, let me get over here.
We just pulled out that, yeah, we just pulled out that scooter too.
Oh my gosh.
We just pulled out the scooter too down there.
This is
Yep.
we need help pulling it up.
Oh, I have no
Let's see. You hold this.
Oh shoot, why won't mine come off?
Appreciate it.
Look at that.
Scored herself a scooter.
Cody's like, I got something. Oh. You wanna know what? He didn't lie.
I ain't gonna lie, I got myself a brand new scooter. It's got a huge battery pack on it.
Okay, I'm not being the camera guy anymore. I have to count something now.
Now it's cruise screen.
Yep.
Well, this one actually rolls.
That means the tracking system, the system must be up. Yeah, there's no system in the back. That one you might be able to take home.
How do you feel about what we just did?
Whoa, that was the heaviest thing. I feel it. I think it was heavier than that wheelchair. Yeah, I actually think it was.
Yeah.
It was heavier. It doesn't look that heavy, but it was heavy. Yeah, so guys, I have to tell you something. We're doing a giveaway for 500 subscribers. We're gonna do like I think a 500-pound magnet, and you guys check out our giveaway video. It's how many videos ago? Like 2?
It's a few down the line.
Yeah.
But just
You'll just get
put in your
check it
entry.
out.
It's worldwide.
Yeah.
Check it out.
The code is what's the code?
Hashtag AZMS500.
Yeah.
Make sure to put your entry in the comments
guys
below
can
that video,
Help
and
us
you'll be
get
entered to win.
500.
Help us to get to 500 by sharing that video or our channel with others, and help us get to 500 subscribers.
Either I'm stuck on the ledge.
Or you got some,
Huh?
I think you got something serious.
I know.
I'm kind of scared there might be some metal right there that you're hooked on, because there's a metal something here. Yeah, you might be hooked on something. Look at the size. Look at the size of that bolt. The eye bolt. It might be stuck on metal. It might be screwed. Let me grab reins of that rope. I'll pull it in.
Huh?
Let me grab reins of that rope and I'll pull it in.
I think it might be stuck on.
Shoot.
Hold on, let me get a little flatter.
I think you might be stuck on something really big here.
Have to keep going.
And he's stretched way out here. He's got some serious item on this rope.
Can we tie this on the back of a train?
You might have to. See how it goes. Give me the reins and I'll pull the item in.
Fine, you can try.
I'll help you with part of it. This will be your claiming. Don't worry.
Because I cut onto it. I don't know if it's anything because it's not even budging at all. So we got the magnet stuff. So, what our solution was, well, first, we didn't get this on video, but we had 4 big guys pulling it out. Not us. These other guys. Like 5 people trying to pull it, and we could not get it. So we decided to rent a boat. It cost us about 38 bucks. I think to be exact, it was like $38.97. So, and now we're coming up to the bag. As you guys can see, the black bag. The rope's right there. Try to grab it and pull it out. We might have something big.
Might have something big. We might just be stuck really strong on some metal. We shall see. Just stay right with us. We'll take you on an adventure for sure.
Yeah, here we go.
If you like what you see today, just keep watching AZMORT Squad. Subscribe to us. Weekly videos.
Most of the times. Sometimes.
All right, there's the ledge.
Oh, look at all those people. They're all on one wheels. No, they're on scooters. Okay, you ready? Grab that. Grab it.
We're actually on top of it right now.
Grab it. Whoa. Got it? Here, let me grab onto it. Should we put that canopy back up or something? Oh, shoot. Hey, Cody, pedal.
Yeah, we're going to get our other stuff.
We'll get after. Okay, Cody first. No, we might pull the bag down right now. Huh? I need some more slack.
No, we got to get the other stuff.
I ain't hopping on.
Okay, for sure.
I got you, I got you, I got you. Okay.
One for the team.
Okay, I need a little closer.
Can't
The
get
other way,
you closer.
Cody.
Shoot.
Now pedal closer.
I'm trying. Alright. And found 2 scooters down there.
Alright. You're fishing with a magnet. You know what a magnet is?
Good shit like that.
Now my shoes are gonna get so
I don't care. We gotta save the.
What? I can't. Okay, back up. Okay. Oh, I think I already have it. Hold this. If you already have it undone, that's gonna be so. No, stop going in front right here.
You gotta be pulling this rope in as we're doing this.
I should be on that side now. Because Ridge is right there.
Yo, we're on an adventure today. Alright, here we go. We're driving away. Let's see what we pull out. There we go.
We're trying to go forward. What? Oh no, it's okay, Cody. We have to just
Sink our boat. Water's coming in.
Actually, okay, move sides, switch sides. Ridge is too heavy. I mean, you and Ridge are too heavy over there. I don't even care if I get wet now.
I don't think this thing's gonna sink on us.
Go. Go backwards. What have you put this on?
Keep going. We'll get it.
Oh, Ridge, did you fart?
We'll get it unstuck. We'll get it unstuck. Don't you worry.
Okay, go for it.
Go for it. Go. Go, go, go. Get him right. Oh boy. I don't know what we're doing.
We're dying. Up and down.
What do you got?
Hop on.
Hop on, get back on. We got an adventure. We got something.
Oh, you're gonna break that. Oh, feel this. Feel it. You can pick it up.
Super heavy.
Watch out.
It's probably a grate from the train over there.
You can feel it, right? Yeah. Tell me it's coming.
I think you you're
No, it's
wishing and dreaming.
it's something heavy. Cody, you have to come sit over here.
I can't sit over there or this boat's sinking.
You have to get a bigger boat. This thing's heavy. Okay, now we know what to get on the shore.
Dang, nice unicycle. Alright. What up? You gotta get off the edge of the boat like that.
What?
Because you're breaking rules right now. Alright.
It's something super heavy. Near like a helicopter.
Man, what an adventure we had today. We finished out in the waters. You'll have to stay tuned for our next video to see the things that happen and be able to stay with us. You'll have to stay tuned. But make sure to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back more with new videos soon.